Do you feel stressed about an upcoming exam? These feelings can come from different kind of fear. The fear of the unknown, for example. To overcome this fear, you should go to class, read the syllabus, and pay attention. Professor often displays very important information about what topic will be on the next exam. And more importantly, they will tell you how to prioritize what you have to learn, which will help you save a lot of time. By doing it, you will feel more prepared and less stressed. Another fear can come from the feeling of not being prepared enough. To overcome this, you should have strong knowledge. You should review the material at least 3 times. The first time, before going to class, read really quickly the chapter. Focus on the bold names and the headlines, just to have an idea of what will be discussed in class. Then, go to class. After that, read the chapter again. Read mindfully with in mind what you've learned in class and ask yourself a question. Why do I recognize a loss and not a gain? This way, you will have plenty of time to go to your teaching assistant office hour or your professor's office hour or even tutoring. And then you should review at least one more time your material so you can memorize what you've learned. Now that you have reviewed the material and you have strong knowledge, you can apply it to problems. Keep in mind that accounting is a process. The problem can be long, so you can break down the problem. For example, you sold a car. You know that you gave up a car and you received cash. All right, what's happened next? How to put the journal entry. So, you know that cash is an asset account. You receive cash, you need to increase your asset. You should use debit. And you also know that accounting always needs a double entry. So, since you already debited an account, you will credit another one. Which other account do you have? Your car. Exactly. You should credit your equipment account. If you practice early enough, you will have enough time to reach out to either your professors, the teaching assistants, or tutors to help you. But studying the night before the exam will not help you change your grade. Staying up all night studying will not help you. Instead, do something that you like. Go see your friends, enjoy your favorite meal, get a good night of sleep. Well-being and confidence will have a big impact on your exam. The day of the exam has come. Be confident and read carefully. Pay attention to details, especially dates. When are we asking you to solve the problem for? 2021, 2022? Are we at the beginning of the year or at the end? Does it have an impact on your calculation? You should collect information from everywhere. The balance sheet, the income statement, or any other footnotes. Accounting professors often use partial credit. You know that accounting always needs a double entry. So if you remember the first entrance, you can plug the second one. If you need more help managing test anxiety or any other study habit skills, reach out to the Mason Learning Services. They provide free academic coaches to help you manage your study habits and also offer workshops.